Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Microsoft rewards and linking the account you use for Roblox. Sign in on Bing and enroll in rewards right away. This activates point accrual. Once done, make sure your country settings and profile info match Microsoft's requirements so redemptions work. Install Microsoft Edge or set Bing as your default search to capture extra daily points automatically. You'll be ready to earn from routine searches and targeted offers that convert points into Robux gift cards. Now focus on earning points efficiently by combining searches with offers and quizzes. You should alternate between PC and mobile searches to hit both daily caps, and prioritize time-limited offers or quizzes because they yield more points per minute. Use the rewards dashboard to monitor streaks and available tasks. Once you see high-value promos, finish them immediately since they often expire. Make sure to enable browser extensions or mobile app notifications to catch bonus opportunities. Finally, redeem your accumulated points for Roblox gift cards or Microsoft gift cards in the rewards catalog when thresholds are met. You'll receive a code via email or in your rewards history. Enter that code on the Roblox redemption page to add Robux. Make sure your Microsoft and Roblox account regions match to avoid blocks. If a code doesn't work, wait up to 24 hours for processing, double-check region settings, and contact Microsoft Rewards support with your order ID for resolution. This usually fixes delivery or validity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.